Hey, let me show you how Sapien Graph's company and customer prospector works. You can toggle between them here. The company prospector searches companies based on your filters, with details like LinkedIn profiles, revenue, and email addresses. For instance, I'm a B2B sales executive looking to pitch to companies in the market research industry, is located in the US, and has around 60 employees. For a more targeted search, you can select more than one query for the industry and country fields. Hit search, and 41 companies found. To see all this info, I can select specific company profiles and unlock them. I can also choose to unlock the entire page or all 41 results. Now, to compile them all into a contact list, I'll select the profiles and export it to CSV. Here's what it looks like on Excel. Next, the customer prospector. It finds companies that are likely customers of your competitors. Say 406 Ventures is my competitor. Just hit search and 71 likely customers found. I get the company names, email addresses, LinkedIn profiles, and Twitter URLs of their customers. This customer prospector is still experimental and not exhaustive, so use with care. And once again, you can select customer profiles to unlock. Happy prospecting!